Hello friend, I hope you are doing well. So finally we have managed to complete your project's requirements. So I'm gonna give you a brief demo of the project. So for testing purposes, I'm gonna mirror my cell phone on my desktop to see. This is my ESP32 code. So I have created two functions and to simulate the chat messages and car movement similar to the way like we will gonna handle in your code. Okay. So right now we are like continuously getting two types of messages, the chat messages and the navigation messages. Okay, so I am randomly sending some latitude and longitude values to just to test the application. Okay, so for testing purposes, let me mirror my phone with my desktop. Just a second. Okay, so this is my phone and try again. Start now. Yeah. So this is the first screen you will see when you run your application. So we will scan for the devices. So this is my device, the ESP32 BLE device. So we could even change the name from the code later on. Okay, by setting the device name. Okay, so let's connect with the device. Okay, so once we connected, we have this bottom task menu. We have maps, then we have crew, chat messages, then we have dashboard screen that's empty, and in the settings I have added like for the device name and username maybe. Okay, so let's go to the maps first and see what we are getting. Okay, so once I click the map, I'm sending like the data for three devices, simulated car 1, car 4, 2 and 3. Okay, and this is the JSON I'm sending right now, if you can see here. Okay, so I'm continuously sending this one, so it has the latitude, longitude values, heading, crew name and crew password. Okay, so I have created the crew for that purposes. So if I go to the crew, if you see here, we have crew name shipping and crew password 123459, and we could identify this one here. So you could only navigate to the devices if the crew name and the crew password matches. Okay, I have put the filter behind it. Rest of the messages will be ignored. Okay, similarly if we go to the chats, this is the chat message I am getting from other devices. If you see here, we are also sending the chat information. See this one, command chat ID 68, sender Amir, message is hello 80. This one, the one we received here, and then we for the time I'm getting from the system time. Okay, and crew name shipping, that's it. Okay, so if you gonna send some messages, let me send some message. Hello, hi. See, so I sent hello, hi here, and if I see in here, yeah, we got the message here. See, on ESP32, hello, hi, the sender ID, message ID, time is sent by me, shipping. So similarly you could, this is like similar having like a chat app similar to the WhatsApp. Okay, so even you could change your username and shipping name and password from here. Then we could even change, let me try to put some other name, let me put something like but here. So I sent this one, and let's see if we got updated here. See, so now the new name is but here, so it's replaced here. And one more thing, I'm also storing this information in the preferences, so even if you restart the device application, this information will be always kept saved both on the ESP32 side and here. So this was it. We have, I guess we have basic functionality. Even I have set this satellite modes. You could put it in satellite mode. You could even put in Terran, hybrid, whatever you like. Okay, so I have also added this functionality here as well, so you could view this one information. This one, all like having this zoom option will always point you like exactly on these navigation tabs, so you never get lost somewhere. Even if you are here, you just click this one and it will always zoom in exactly at the point where you have these navigations. Okay, so I believe everything is ready now to test on your side. The only thing is we have to integrate this code on your ESP32 and we are good to go. I hope you like the work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.